Okay, hello there everyone, this is Goodison Gamer once again. How are you doing out there? Today I'm going to play some Total Recall on Sinclair ZX Spectrum. And the reason for playing this is that I played and reviewed the Amstrad CPC version the other day. I thought it was a really nice game, but it was really tough because it's only had one life, and that is bullshit, in my opinion. So I know that this is one life as well, because I gave this game a few test runs. So let's see if we can come anywhere here. So now I know that if I push down and fire and I use the Xbox One controller here, I will use my gun. I didn't know that when I played the Amstrad CPC version, so it was very confusing. And I don't have a manual or anything. So now I know that. So let's see here. I should go down here. It looks nice. It's my first impression. It has different colors than the Amstrad CPC. Oof, that was a close one. So let's go up here. And this will give me extra ammo. Okay. Go down here. And extra ammo. Nice sound effects. So this is briefcase. This can perhaps some intelligence or something. So let's go up again here to the upper floor. So far so good. So let's go down here. If I stand here, I will deactivate the laser, I think, up here. And I need this bridge here. And that's a... So now, let's go down here. Here we have some stuff, cannot get in there. So let's take this ammo here. There is more ammo. Surgical tool. I don't remember if the Amstrad CPC version told me what I got, but this is very good actually. So let's see now. I have 30 ammo. That is good. So I can... Let's jump up here and take this idiot out. Use some fucking robot up there. Fuck. Oops. Come back here, there. Damn it. Fuck, I'm out of ammo once again. I'm about to die. Shit. That was not good. Or did I have ammo? Perhaps I'd deactivated my gun or something. I had 30, I think. I got a new high score there. 18,800. I should give it one test run more. It's a nice game actually, but it's very tough, this one life policy. It's just getting on my nerves actually. What were they thinking? I mean, so let's wait for it here now. Oops. Extra energy. It seems to that the question marks it kind of randomized. So let's go over here. Okay. So now can we go up here again? Yes. Yes, please. So now it will be interesting. Can I pass that second rowboat? I would really be happy actually. I really need all the ammo I can have now. So let's go down here and collect 14. But there must be more ammo. What the hell is that? Why can't I go in there? But there is more. Damn it. 21 ammo. I don't remember if I activated anything now. Let's go up here, 21. Let's check out that bastard first. Fuck. I deactivated there. 19. Why the fuck do I deactivate my gun all the time? Seriously. Now I'm about to die here. Fucking stupid there. Eat this, you fucking robot. Now I'm out of ammo. Fuck's sake. So how shall I pass this? Here comes this motherfucker once again. Can I jump over him? No, I cannot jump. There you go. Fuck, I died. Frustrating. But there must be more ammo. But I don't think I can take that robot out with my fists. I don't think so. So, but I'm gonna end it here. It's a very tough game. But it's addictive. Nice level design, nice graphics, nice music and sound effects as well. So if this could be a really fantastic game if it gave me more lives actually. So I'm gonna wrap it up here, and thank you so much for watching everyone. Take care and have a good one. Goodbye.